This is me again. I know it's been a while since I've posted any videos, but one of my friends from school asked me to post a video for a problem that he had run into while trying out Revit for the first time. Now, what I'm using is Revit 2017. He has Revit 2016, but it's the same concept. So what he was having problems with was doing the equal constraint for some partition walls that was in the building. So I'm just going to show him how to do it. So the instructions was to use the commercial default. So the instructions, which was instruction number 3, was to pick a wall. And it was a generic 12-inch wall. And they said that you go unconnected height at 9 feet and finish face exterior. Alright, using the rectangle icon to create a wall. Now it's supposed to be 100 by 60. So I could adjust this to be 60 feet. Now let's go over that step one more time. Click wall. So here's supposed to be 100 and here's supposed to be 60. So you see the dimensions move, the temporary dimensions. So that's 60, that's 100. The next step is to do the grids. So you pick grids. And it said, let's pick one here. And you're going to create 3 grids, vertical grids and 2 horizontal grids. So make sure the grids are snaps. Then we have 2 horizontal. So you just want to A. This one would be B. I'm going to use the align tool on the wall faces. And snap it into place. So do the other side. We're going to add some dimensions. 2 and then grid 3. So 1, 2, 3. And selecting the equal EQ sign. An overall dimension of 101. Grid line 3 selected. Should be 101. So do the same thing for model between grid line A and B. You want this to be 68. So select grid line A. So this is 68. So now you walls adjust as well because it's aligned and locked to the grid line. Alright, next up, select by hovering over one wall and pressing tab once. Select all the walls and we changing the wall type to exterior brick on CMU. Next we choose another type of wall. I'll go for a partition 4 7/8 wall. We're drawing this wall, this point to that point. This wall has to be adjusted 22 feet from the internal. From internal dimensions. It's like 22 feet. Five vertical walls inside. So create similar. 1, 2. Doesn't matter the distance. 1 more. So we want to have these walls constrained equal length. So we go back to the align tool and we want it to be on the wall faces, the first pick, and then we want it to be on the center line for the internal walls, partitions, and then back on wall faces, which will be here. And with the EQ, just click on it and it adjusts it. It adjusts all the internal walls. If you don't want to see the equal sign, you want to see the actual dimension. In the properties of the dimension, you can change it instance parameter to value. And it changes it to 16 feet 3.5 inches. Alright, so I hope